Hello everybody, Dominoes 7 here, alright. Like to welcome y'all to this vlog here, alright. So, you know what, I watched an episode of Jeopardy. I expected Karen Farrell to win, but fortunately and unfortunately, she didn't win, okay. You know, the way she played and stuff like that over the days, I was expecting her to win days a lot like Julia Collins did, you know. I was expecting her to do the same thing Julia Collins did, you know. So I was gonna say, wow, we gonna have another Julia Collins, you know. Well, we gonna see her in the Tournament of Champions, you know. So anyway, my concern with Alex Trebek, you know. I don't know if this is going to be his last season because I was really thinking that they was going to be on Jeopardy for 2 more years, you know. That's what I thought, you know. So his contract don't expire in 2 years, you know. So I don't know what's going to happen though, you know. Nobody knows, you know. So I mean I really enjoy Alex Trebek over the years, you know. So I call him the third CBS man, you know. Reason why I say that because I watched him on Jeopardy on a CBS station, WWL. That's a CBS station here in New Orleans, okay. But on that note, Jeopardy comes on Fox 8, okay. Fox 8 here in New Orleans, you know. I ain't like that at first, you know. I really like watching Jeopardy and Wheel of Fortune on the CBS channel, Channel 4, you know. So, I really enjoyed Karen Farrell while she still lasted, you know. Yes, indeed. Awesome Jeopardy player, you know. Can't disagree anymore, you know. Yep. So we gonna see her in our Tournament of Champions, you know. So I must say, not back to Alex Trebek, you know. He said he gonna host Jeopardy as long as he can, you know. So I guess he gonna be on a hiatus when summertime come. When the summer episodes or they show reruns or whatever, okay. I mean, everybody, including me, do not want Alex Trebek to leave so soon. But if he have to retire now, you know, well, you never know, okay. So I really enjoyed Alex Trebek though, you know, hearing about the news that he was diagnosed with stage 4 pancreatic cancer, you know. You know, when I heard about that, I was deeply shocked and surprised, you know. I'm like, oh my God, I can't believe Alex Trebek is sick, you know. I can't believe he's sick, you know. But all I'm saying, by the grace of God, I'm sure he's gonna do fine, long as he hosts Jeopardy as much as he can. It's a good thing, you know. Finishing chemo and stuff like that. I guess he was right. That was premature, you know. So he gonna host it as long as he can, you know. Cause I remember I heard the tone of his voice, you know. I definitely heard the tone of his voice. I'm like, oh my God, you know. Cause I mean. He been doing good, thank God, you know. He's okay, you know. Alright, so all I'm going to say is my prayers go to Alex Trebek and his family, okay. We're going to continue on praying for him, you know. Okay, as well as we pray for Bob Barker when he suffered from that fall. Was it last year or the year before last or something like that, a few years back when he fell and tripped on that uneven pavement, you know. I guess that was by his house or something, you know. Okay. All right. So now to Wheel of Fortune and Passe Jack, okay. And you know what? I enjoyed an episode of Wheel of Fortune, you know, and Patsy Jack had to stay home for a week, another week. You know what I'm saying? So he'll be back next week. Okay. So what was wonderful to my knowledge, well, what I really love to see, you know, at first I wasn't feeling Vanna White about a wheel and stuff like that in Patsy Jack's spot. I mean, by them having a substitute host, I would have liked that, you know. But we ought to know, Vanna White and Patsy Jack and Vanna White switched spots before, but I ain't even know, you know. I ain't even know that, to be honest though. I missed that episode years ago, you know. So what I ain't like that time when Minnie Mouse was by the puzzle board, wasn't doing anything, you know, wasn't touching the letters and stuff like that. But when Maggie Sidjack came out and being by the puzzle board, that was a winner. Okay, that was definitely a winner. You know what I'm saying? I enjoyed every bit of it, you know. But I want to let y'all know something. If Patsy Jack or Vanna White leave Wheel of Fortune, I think Maggie Sidjack should be on the show from now on. You understand? I really think that Maggie Sidjack should be on Wheel of Fortune from now on. Okay, that's if one of those two leave the show. Okay. So, do anybody agree with that? I'm talking to the viewers, fans of Wheel of Fortune. Okay. Maybe I should join the Wheel Watchers fan club. The Wheel Watchers club, I mean. Maybe I should join that, you know. I can win anything, you know. Like money, a trip, stuff like that, you know. Well, you got 24 hours to claim your prize. You got 24 hours to claim your prize, you know. Yep, if I have money, yep. Well, what I'll do with that money? Not for selfish things, for the house, and probably give back and stuff like that, you know. I must say, I'm very glad about Wheel of Fortune, Maggie Sidjack coming out, you know. I mean, she's awesome, a letter toucher. Think about it. If they would still had the turning letters, you know what I mean. I wonder how Maggie would have handled that old puzzle board before they changed it years ago, you know. I know for some of you that's my age or a little bit younger than me, y'all remember when with the old puzzle board where Vanna White had to turn the letters and stuff like that. Do some of you remember that? But if you was born in '96, you was a baby, you all know nothing about that, because when you became 1 year old or something like that, that's when they changed the puzzle board to touch screens, you know. Yep. And not Wheel of Fortune, Family Feud. Do y'all remember back in the day when they had that triangle thing on the board where it turns and stuff like that? I know y'all remember that, you know. But this is not about Family Feud. It's about Jeopardy and Wheel of Fortune. Okay. Yes, indeed. You know. Yep. Wheel of Fortune. I enjoy Wheel of Fortune. You know, and Jeopardy. You know. Jelly double sound, stuff like that, and into the round sound, you know, stuff like that, and the and the bankrupt sound. Yep, that's okay, but sometimes you gotta hate it because people don't want to lose no money, you know. Well, oh well. So, anyway, before I end this video, I want to say one more time and one more time only, okay? I may say it in another video. If Passy Jack or Vanna White leave Wheel of Fortune, I think Maggie should be on the show from now on, okay? Because I really enjoy her company, you know? Alright, thank y'all for watching, alright? Okay. Let's see what Lisa gonna do tomorrow on Jeopardy. Will she win tomorrow, or will she blow it? Okay? Let's see, alright?